Select your team on TradeSpot and start playing Apna game. Download the app now.
Formula is working. And I had dropped Mandeep because I knew Jofra Archer had an 80% chance of knocking him out. I had kept Ben Stokes as captain.
All right, Boreda, the time has come. The time has come where we make some moolah because we're already making that because ClearSport is a sponsor. ClearSport presents your fantasy 11. Please tell us of the first match and the second match.
I have gone with, again, multiple teams, but the formula, by the way, the formula is working. Yesterday also, if you see, the formula worked. Jofra Archer, top of the order. I've said that. So yesterday I played with 11 teams. All my 11 teams won. Today morning I got up at 5 something and played the first game, the Sydney Thunders game. Again, all 11 teams have won. So it's working. And I'm actually not. I played blind this morning because I had made the teams last night. All I changed was after the toss. These girls were bowling first. All I did was just see that nobody was missing out. That's all. And I was playing blind. Just wanted to tell myself if this formula is working. If the formula is working, which I now think it is, straight. Quinton de Kock, Ishan Kishan, Surya Kumar Yadav, Hardik Pandya / Kieron Pollard. Hardik Pandya, toss if Mumbai batting first. Then you can sort of think in terms of a Hardik Pandya, because if there's a collapse or whatever, that is a floating call. But first three, and then your bowling three. My bowling three are Bolt, Bumrah, and Chahar. So 6 for Mumbai blindly. Shikhar Dhawan, Shreyas Iyer confirmed. Kagiso Rabada, Anrik Nokia confirmed. And the last player is a floater between a Hardik Pandya, between a Rishabh Pant, between a Marcus Stoinis, and a Shimron Hetmyer. Look who's batting first, look at the condition, and take that punt. If you play this team, I am 99% confident your team will not lose. Not lose. Unless something dramatic happens, you won't lose. Trust me, you won't lose. Captain, vice captaincy options, multiple. You want to take a punt, go with, look at the bowling attacks. When I see the bowling attacks, Bumrah Bolt against Prithvi, Shreyas, Shikhar. Shikhar not got runs 2 games. So it will be Mumbai Indians captain, vice captain for me. They start favourites. It can very well be Surya Yadav because he's batting 3 and in that form where he's got momentum, he wants to make that point to the selectors. So Surya Yadav and Jasprit Bumrah, safe. You want to punt it? Go with Ishan Kishan and Surya Yadav, or Quinton de Kock and Surya Yadav. That's team number 1. Second team, David Warner versus Virat Kohli. You know what? It's Sharjah. I will go with Riddhiman Saha, David Warner, Manish Pandey, 1, 2, 3. Again, Kane Williamson is a bit of a dicey thing because of Sharjah. He will not bat like a de Villiers. So it will be Josh Philippe, it will be AB de Villiers, and it will be Devdutt Padikkal. So I'm leaving out Virat Kohli and I'm leaving out Kane Williamson. Now I can be completely looking like a moron. Devdutt Padikkal, Josh Philippe, and AB de Villiers. David Warner, Riddhiman Saha, Manish Pandey. Got my 6. Then in the middle, it's Chris Morris and Jason Holder, 8. Then it's Yuzvendra Chahal, 9. Then it's obviously Mohammad Siraj, because he will start, can give me a freakish wicket, 10. And the last spot has to go to the magic man, Rashid Khan. So that's the team I'm leaving out. And why did I leave out Kohli and Williamson? That allows me the points to play Rashid and Chahal together. That's what I'm going with. But as I said, this team is a punt team. To leave out Virat Kohli and Williamson, I can look like an absolute joker tomorrow morning. But I've made my math. And when I'm playing fantasy, that's the team I'm going with.
Rajeshri, any comments?
Just want to add to Boria's point. He made a couple of very interesting points, like he always does with fantasy cricket, and it comes more so with what Boria said, right? He's following a formula, and that's no wonder. He's one of the leading experts on fantasy cricket, and I just want to ask Boria this question. Boria, you talked about this formula. You talked about strategies when you're leading into the toss. how important would a toss be in fantasy cricket now that you're looking on a double header, two crucial games, all result-oriented games. Every game will decide the fate of the next six teams. And we've also spoken of the due factor. So obviously, when you're talking of the toss today in the first afternoon game at, I suppose, Dubai, yes, in Dubai, the second game is in Sharjah. So you're talking of multiple teams, and in my first team as well, Boria, I don't have Virat Kohli. I don't have for the second game in my for the first team in my second game. I do not have Virat Kohli. But how would you then fathom out the second team? Would you go with a Virat Kohli depending on how packed your lineup is in terms of the bowling unit, or have a Kane Williamson fit in there somewhere? How does that work when it comes to the
No,
toss in a crucial factor like this?
it's fairly simple. I mean, yesterday also, if you see my teams, the moment I heard that Kings 11 Punjab was batting, I had put Rahul, Gale, Pura straight. And I had dropped Mandeep because I knew Jofra Archer had an 80% chance of knocking him out. And it happened. First over, gone. So I immediately scored points there because I could get in Joss Butler, Smith, Uthappa, and Sanju Samson. So I scored. And the moment I was keeping the due factor in mind, like Pragyan Oja said, so what did I do? I had kept Ben Stokes as captain because I was thinking Ben Stokes will give me the thing with the bat and the ball. So Ben Stokes was my captain. And that's how I played. So tonight also, look at the toss. This is the night game. Tonight also, the moment you see the toss, whichever team bats second, you will know they have an advantage. Reduce the bowlers from that particular team which is bowling second. Reduce the bowlers. So if it's Hyderabad bowling there, Rashid Khan is a magician. Except Rashid Khan, don't keep anyone. Why did I keep Hulda? Because he has that all-rounder ability. Except that no one needs to be there. No one. So and that is working. That's what I'm saying. The formula is working. Make two teams. So look, how do I explain these things? 190 chase. Do one team. So for example, if Delhi is batting first, okay. So I'm keeping in mind 190 from Delhi. So one team will have Quinton de Kock and Ishan Kishan and Surya Yadav. The other team will not have Quinton de Kock, Ishan and Surya, will have two of them because I'm thinking the pressure of 190 will snap out a wicket. That's why multiple teams. You look, fantasy is not punting. I mean, it's not blind. Just go play, tuck, tuck, tuck. No, you've got to mathematically work things out to win fantasy. That's why, and I spend a hell lot of time. It's taking actually my academic work time is being consumed by fantasy. I'm going sort of to make these teams. So take out a pen and paper. Take out a pen and paper and see. Either you will lose two wickets at the top, or you will lose 3-4. You know what the classic example is? The Pakistan-Zimbabwe game. Zimbabwe was 240 for 4 yesterday, chasing 230 for 4, 231 for 4. Medivere and Brendan Taylor got 100. Now, then we're all out for 250. 251 all out, chasing 281. So what did I do? I had put in Brendan Taylor as vice captain, knock off 100 he got. I had Wahab Riaz as captain. Wahab got 4. Had I put Shaheen Afridi captain, 5. So I knew that there will be a collapse at some point. So I had put the Zimbabwe top order, I'd put the Pakistan top order and the Pakistan bowling attack. That's what I'd done. And it worked. It worked magic. So all 11 teams won. So that's what I'm trying to tell you, that evolve your own fantasy formulas. You can go do your research, work it out, and you will get it right.
Interesting. All right. With that, quick predictions, gentlemen. We've got 2 big matches in our hand. Are you going for upsets or are you going the regular way? I'll start with you, Rajashri. Mumbai Indians.
Pragyan has a point.
I wanted to add, and if our viewers want, they can come, subscribe our channel, and listen to Boryada and make your team without getting into those mathematical calculations and scratching your head. Just come here, subscribe us, and listen what Boryada says. If you're a smart guy, you should do this than doing that calculation sitting for hours.